Good morning, everyone. Now, in the statistics, now up till now, in chapter number 1, we have seen primary data in that direct inquiry, indirect inquiry, and questionnaire method. Then we have seen, see, this questionnaire by post and questionnaire by enumerator. Now, the next, that is secondary data. First of all, secondary data means the data which is already collected and arranged in a specific way. That data is to be utilized. That is called as secondary data. So secondary data means the data which is already collected and that data is to be utilized for the another evaluation. So that is called as secondary data. What are the sources of secondary data? From where we can get secondary data? So see, there are two main sources of secondary data via published and unpublished. तो what is published sources? Published that means ये newspaper वगैरह में आते हैं वो. But what exactly it is in see in that? Government publications. Now government publications means the publication which is published by the government, they are authentic data, so that we can keeping trust we can utilize that data. So there are number of central and state government organizations which collect statistical data and publish their findings in the interest of the public. Some government publishers provide data on a periodicals and regular basis. पीरियोडिकल्स दैट मीन्स कि जो वीकली या 15 दिन में जो मैगज़ीन आती है गवर्नमेंट की, जो मैगज़ीन आती है या जो न्यूज़पेपर कोई 15 दिन में आता है, उसमें जो डेटा आता है दैट इज़ ऑथेंटिक डेटा दैट वी कैन रिलाई अपॉन, सो दैट वी कैन यूटिलाइज फॉर द सेकेंडरी डेटा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल सेंट्रल स्टैटिस्टिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन CSO, ये वाला एक पब्लिकेशन है. द नेशनल सैम्पल सर्वे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये वाला एक है. देन ऑफिसर ऑफ द रजिस्ट्रार जनरल एंड सेंसस ऑफ इंडिया. देन इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल रिसर्च, स्टैटिस्टिकल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ गुजरात स्टेट, statistical outline, Gujarat State socio-economical review, Gujarat State, etc. Means all these are periodicals which is published by the government. Whatever data government publish, that is primary data, and that data we utilize for the another evaluation, so that becomes the secondary data. So from where we can get primary data? So sources for the secondary data is, that is government publications. Then semi government publications. So primary data and secondary data, right, both are necessary for the evaluation. Secondary data government can also publish. See that semi government publications organized such as LIC, state electricity board, regular publish the various types of important data. ये जो LIC है ये भी डेटा पब्लिश करती है दैट ये इतने मंथ में या 15 दिन में कौन कौन सी पॉलिसी गई, किन्होंने क्या पॉलिसी ली, कौन सा वर्ग कौन सी पॉलिसी प्रिफर करता है, ये सब. देन इंटरनेशनल पब्लिकेशंस. इंटरनेशनल पब्लिकेशन शोज एंड पब्लिश इंटरनेशनल डेटा इन दैट इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस लाइक यूनाइटेड नेशंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस UNO, International Mercury Fund IME, International Labour Organization publish their important data. So international publications publish data related to the world. Then fourth, reports of research organizations. The organization which is doing research work, they publish their data. Now see, research institutions like Ahmedabad Textile Industries Research Association, Physical Research Laboratory Ahmedabad, Salt and Marine Research Laboratory. मीन्स ये सारे करते क्या है, ये सारे डेटा कलेक्ट करते हैं कि कहाँ से मतलब कि फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल ये सॉल्ट एंड मरीन जो है सॉल्ट एंड मरीन वाले ये रिसर्च करेंगे कि कहाँ से फ्रॉम वेयर we can produce that salt, from where we can get easily workers for the production of the salt, from where we can get easily that land, that machinery, etc. for the salt. So etc. data that will be published by the government. Next one, fifth one, that is local self-government institutions and autonomous education institution, municipality corporation, Jilla Panchayat and agricultural universities publish their annual reports. तो ये सारे जो है they publish their annual reports through government publications only. Now why they prefer government publications? Because people can rely upon the data. Sixth one, publications of business and commerce organization. राइट ये जो कॉमर्स वाले बिजनेस वाले हैं दे ऑल्सो पब्लिश द डेटा इन फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री पब्लिशेस द जनरल इकोनॉमिक ट्रेंड्स. इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ CA पब्लिशेस द journal the chartered accountant, and the institution of foreign trade publishes the journal foreign trade review. So this commerce and business industry also publish their data in these publications only. The news and periodicals, they are the regular publishers, right? So they from the news and periodicals also whatever data we can get, that we can rely upon. So see, the data regarding economics, commerce, business, sports, etc. can be collected from the different newspapers and periodicals like Economic and Periodical Weekly, Commerce Business Today, Financial Express. There are two important sources of getting secondary data. सेकेंडरी डेटा हमें इधर से भी मिल सकता है. सेकेंडरी डेटा फ्रॉम अनपब्लिश्ड सोर्सेज, जो पब्लिश नहीं हुआ है वो. नाउ सी, some of the statistical data may be published may be drawn on request from the unpublished internal records of private and public organization which are prepared for the references. For example, salary of employees, their length of services, their education level, data regarding investment of mutual fund in public, etc. PhD thesis of various university. Unpublished sources means what? There are some information which cannot be published if that can be personal. For example, salary of employees. If you want the data of an organization that workers की कितनी average salary रहेगी, so that cannot be published. That is private only. So if we want that data, we have to visit that organization only, right? Okay. So secondary data from unpublished sources. What are the precautions while using secondary data? First, before using the secondary data, it should be verified as to who has collected the data. Secondary data means primary data को हम again use करेंगे, that is secondary data, right? तो पहले हम ये चेक करेंगे कि जो डेटा हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो रिलायबल अथॉरिटी या रिलायबल पर्सन ने कलेक्ट किया है कि नहीं किया है, whether the data is authentic or not. Then the purpose of collecting data must be relevant to the purpose of the study. मतलब कि हमने सैलरी ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ हमने उसका डेटा लिया है, तो वो द पर्पज़ ऑफ कलेक्टिंग डेटा मस्ट बी रिलेवेंट टू द पर्पज़ ऑफ द स्टडी. कि सैलरी ऑफ द कि कौन सा हम क्वालिफ़िकेशन या कौन से एजुकेशन पे कितनी सैलरी मिलती है, ये उसके रिलेटेड रिलेवेंट डेटा है कि नहीं, ये भी हम चेक करेंगे. देन द कलेक्टेड डेटा मस्ट नॉट बी टू ओल्ड. मतलब हम 10 साल पहले का डेटा नहीं लेंगे. अगर हम अभी 2020 में इफ़ वी आर making secondary data in the year 2020, we cannot take primary data of 2010. Rather we take data of last year or before 2 years. But we cannot take too much old data for the secondary data. Fourth, Before using the secondary data, the matters regarding scope of data, region for which the data are collected, and the definition and the terms used by the data should be ascertained. मतलब बिफोर यूजिंग द सेकेंडरी डेटा जो है वो यूज़ करने से पहले राइट उसका मतलब कि डेटा जो हमारी थियोरी है या हमारा जो पर्पस है उसके रिलेवेंट है कि नहीं, राइट उसमें कुछ बायसनेस तो नहीं है वगैरह वगैरह. देन फिफ्थ, डायरेक्ट यूज़ of the estimated data should be avoided. Direct use of the estimated data. Sometimes in the primary and in the secondary data, estimated data are also there. Means judge करके या assume करके भी data लिख लेते हैं. If they do not get any perfect data, तो estimated data भी लिखते हैं. तो we should avoid that estimated data so that we can come to a proper conclusion. Then, the method of collection of the data should be known so that investigator becomes familiar with its advantages and disadvantages. To get proper benefit of secondary data, it should be used with the above precautions. Means, the method of collection of data should be known. Secondary data collect करने के जो method है वो जो user है user should be well known with that method. Why? Because he can get proper benefit of the secondary data, right? So there are 6 precautions while using the secondary data. So first chapter that is over, right? So first chapter that is over. So your today's homework is write down the sources of the secondary data and precautions while using the secondary data. Then I will give exercise also. In that exercise में section B, then section C, right? Section B and C only. ये जो D and E है, F तो नहीं है, D and E है, this is already we have written. राइट मैंने जो रोज़ जो हम पॉइंट पढ़ते थे वो रोज़ हम लिखने को दे देते थे, राइट. तो डी एन ई दैट इज़ ऑलरेडी रिटन. हमने क्वेश्चन वाइज नहीं लिखा है बट हमने सारा मीन्स कवर करके लिख ही लिया है. सो नाउ ओनली सेक्शन बी एंड सी इज़ लेफ्ट. सो राइट डाउन सेक्शन बी एंड सी इन योर नोटबुक. MCQs आर नॉट नीडेड टू राइट डाउन. MCQs you just learn. They are not needed to write down, but this is left to write down. So B and C only is in homework. So your today's homework is sources of secondary data, precautions while using the secondary data, then from the exercise section B and section C only, right? Okay, so write down this in your notebook. So we will see tomorrow, right? Okay, bye.